been so long. The marketing and every other thing right now. Today we're gonna use. I was like, okay, let's and it is right now going to try and use different things. Sales creator, our whole work on some of the very important. Let's get into it. Just get started with it or not. There are some error. Set it up with set it up. Let me see. This is the one that we're gonna work on now. Skip it for now. And something crazy. Okay. Um, that we were working on. We're gonna keep it on. Go through it and it will get us the. Oh yeah, run. Generating all these files. It's just important because it's going to work, how it is going to all the things. So okay, it says super important because as well as it would have gone through a lot of time on 3001, but then it will start a thing. So yes, important. It's like you choose the perfect. Um, so we're gonna 3000 so that then doing right now. See the cloud.md cursor. See, so you know what all things. Then it will search for patterns. It's like let's package JSON library. So it has made this is this file provides guidance to perfect thing. It has many other thing it went through and it in the like Supabase it has a command or yeah enable it so that sounds good to me. Stuff happen. Let's see what it does. Solving some errors. I have given it to I guess open for now. It's just setting. We should be ready for the thing we have to. So see it killed the task on 3000 and now it is working for the task on 4000 because at 4000 we have our APIs going on. So our API will be deployed on 4000, so that's why it's working on 4000 also. Once it gets done with everything, we're gonna move ahead. And yes, it says you can move ahead, bro. Like okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let me just cancel this thing out and quickly open a new terminal where we gonna npm dev. Let's see. Now it should work. Definitely it should work. First on 3000. Let's see. Till then we just will give this an acceptance so it keeps on working. Perfect. We are live on 3000. Let's go. So this is the thing, guys. Like you should know where you want to use which model because obviously it's gonna make everything super easy as well as things can go super difficult too. So yes, you should know about everything. Perfect. I believe it is done with doing all the tasks and code review. Perfect. Whatever it has worked on. It says we have to set all these things up. for Twilio and for everything. I'm like, okay, and let's restart it. This is where we will give the acceptance, and this is ready for our thing. So now just, I guess, agents tab will be the thing. So let's open, I guess, 6 agents. What say? I guess let's remove this and let's just have an agent in here. My God. Okay, this sounds good to me. And up or down wherever we go. Perfect. This looks good. Um, Now we have slash commands. Let's see what we have in slash. We have add MCP. We have add new prompt. And we have all these things in here. Conversation, plan, usage, every other thing. Perfect. First, let's go to our website and see what we have built till now. Then we'll get moving. Perfect. Let's go. So now let's just get into the login page.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands,
Looks
through the
like it is
highways.
loading a lot.
On
It's
we'll
compiling the dashboard.
go.
Perfect. I know it takes a lot more time.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Perfect. Look at our dashboard, guys. This is something that we have built and worked over a lot. So this is gonna be the thing that we
See the
have
horizon,
been working for a long time,
turning us to
like 11 days.
thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Perfect.
And on we'll go
Now
through the wastelands, through the
let's have a look at
highways.
every other thing that's there, and let's see. Do we have any problems out there so that we can start giving up the tasks? Because that's all we have to do. Next.js is super slow when we run it on the local machine. That's what I've found, and it's like super slow. Look at it. It opened the reports page like after a decade. See, whenever I see this, it's like when it opens up, it has the date range this, okay, but it doesn't give you the date range of 30 days. I believe we should keep it for 30 days because if we keep it for 30 days, then we're gonna get some idea like how it was. But it's okay for right now. And let's do one thing. Let's see how this thing is going to work for us right now. Um, let's not keep it on auto. We're gonna use, I believe, 5.1 on high. Just go through whole code base and get back to me with. Okay, let's not first go for improvement points, but we can actually go for bugs and issues that it finds. Let's keep it on medium reasoning because it doesn't need a lot more reasoning. Get back to me with all the potential issues and bugs that you find that can occur while we go for the production. So make sure it should also be regarding security, it should be regarding backend, it should be regarding our front end, whatever is there. Just get the comprehensive list of all the things that you find so that we can start working over it. Looks good to me. Let's see how what works. It seems like topic change. Okay, let's start a new conversation so that it doesn't make any mistake while this is doing its own work. We can then go and move towards um, checking out this. It has haiku, but what I've heard about haiku is it's like the shit model. So let's not go for that. What all things we're gonna work? So let me just open up our to-do list. We had to work on credits. Let's check that where we have mentioned credits. Okay. I cannot see what all credits do we have anywhere. Like it's not at all mentioned anywhere. So let's get that thing. For that I guess I'm gonna use just Sonnet and I believe Sonnet and we can go for thinking, right? Please go through the code base and check why are we not showing the credits, as in how many credits are used and the whole credits tab inside the sidebar of the dashboard, because it should be shown there as the real-time live credits, like what credits the person or the company has, so that it can be completely stay in the mind for sure. Let's remove this. It can stay in the mind. Perfect. Let's give it to it and we'll start working. Let's see how it goes. Till then, we'll choose a model. Looks like auto approve. We have to keep it on auto approve, otherwise, it's gonna take a lot more time. See? always.
You just let me eat my weight in glee. I
Perfect. Let's
live in a
go
world
into
of
agents
make
tab.
believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities.
These auto lights are so annoying.
Funnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if I bought more. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Perfect, it's working, I guess, perfectly. It's going through everything. I'm looking into this. Perfect. Okay, we have to give this permission. I'm sorry, I didn't look at it. Well, this is working on everything. Let's see why agents tab is not opening up.
I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind
Perfect.
redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the
Looks
children
like it
sing
says
aloud
compiling.
to music too.
Perfect. Do a test call.
Just wanna be carefree lately.
What
I've been
is the issue?
picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets.
Let me try testing the call
Fingers in my locket.
so we can have a
Contemplate
more in-depth
laziness.
idea that what is the problem.
Tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Looks like there is an issue. Issue is not showed here. Yeah, but the call thing says that it is not able to make the call. Perfect, it has worked on the thing. Let's see what is the issue. Why did the test call fail? Perfect, it went through the thing based on my investigation. Let me first give this error. Let's keep it on Opus or GPT-5i. Looks like it is not able to make the call, so please go through it and make sure it start making the call. The classic Windows problem. Unless and until you don't remove all this shit, it will keep on lagging out. Perfect. We are getting on the things. Whatever is the issue, I just believe it has started to sort out. Perfect. Looks good to me. See, this thing is the problem. Not connected. It should stay connected because not getting connected is not the issue that I want to go for. Now, issues found. Desktop sidebar, credits hidden by default. Okay. Mobile sidebar, credits completely missing. No dedicated credits page. Well, there's a billing tab that handles subscription. There is no dedicated credits page. We don't need a credits page, bro. This sounds good. Perfect. We don't need, I guess, whisper flow. I turned it off, so just have to turn it on. Go through the whole thing again because I don't need a credits page. We just need to have a credits badge on the sidebar so that people can have a look at it. Otherwise, it's good in the billing page. It's already been programmed like that. But I just want you to add it on the sidebar so that people can see it live and it gets updated or pulls the stuff in 60 seconds. That looks good to me. So but still make sure that it should keep on updating real time, like if any calls are happening or if anything is happening, then we should have the real time credits debited and it should be shown there. So even if it happens at any time, then there should be an endpoint where it makes it go triggered. If it is not getting triggered because of calls, then it should go ahead and refresh itself every 60 seconds. Make sure you implement all these things, and if any gaps are remaining, then please make sure, like I don't want any gaps to be there. And for this, we're gonna, I guess, for this opus is good. Perfect. Let's go ahead and see what all other things are there that can create a problem. This thing is still working on the thing. I like it. Warp is good. Warp is good. I thought it won't be that good, but yes, I like it. Don't you think the dashboard looks so unprofessional? Like, look at the dashboard. Like the fonts that are being used and everything looks very unprofessional. Like, look at this fonts. Look at this deals. The D is like it. The whole thing has unprofessional fonts. I wanted to work on it. I want you to go ahead and look into the whole dashboard because it looks so unprofessional because of the fonts and everything it is using. For sure, these changes should not affect the um, homepage or the landing pages. It should only affect the whole dashboard and all the pages connected to the dashboard. Make sure to style them super perfectly as per the expert styling. Use best practices and make it look super professional. It shouldn't look like some techie stuff out there going on or something like that. Everything should be super, super professional. And make sure you just work on the front end part, as in the web directory only, and do not change any wiring, backend services, or endpoints. Go through it and let me know how you plan it, and then we'll start working on it. But make sure you use the professional font, something like sans serif or something that is super, super professional, looks good and decent. So now it will start working on it. Let's see what it gets us. Let's see connection status. Does it work or not? Looks like connection status is going to get us into the other page, that's integration. That's perfect. Okay, we have some results in here. If you tell me which role your current test user has. Mhm. All of this is out of context. Shit. Now this is bad. Let's stop using it for a while. This is the problems with new tools. It just goes out of the limit anytime, any moment. Let's see what this thing comes up with. Till then, let me see what it is. And with this, today we even gonna get ahead and get started with the marketing of it, because obviously the marketing of this thing is super important, and we're gonna launch the beta version. So let's let's find some good resources for that too, so that we can get on it, because all these things, while doing all these things, we for sure gonna need the marketing to be ready. Okay, it says SMS 14, email 11, prompt generator 6. Perfect. Okay, this is ready with the implementation plan. Let's see what's the plan is.
Invincible.
Go ahead and start working on it, and make sure that if somebody tries to collapse the sidebar, then the credits, just the number of credits they have, should be visible in the sidebar, that is the static one, that doesn't get collapsed. Like, we have the sidebar in two different partitions, so like one which has the categories, and it completely stays at the time. So we just have to show the number of credits over there. And if the person opens the sidebar, like the one that opens and collapses, then if that part get opens up, so then they should be able to see the exact number of credits. Like if it's 49,553, then it should be able to, like, they should be able to see that. Go through it perfectly, and make sure you also make it look good with the whole thing that you are designing. Perfect. Let's see how it works on it, how it makes this thing look.
Lately I feel like I'm vapor thin, walking around like I've got everything to lose.
With this, we're gonna give
Feel
it a
like
bit more tough task.
sometimes I feel like
Uh,
there's nothing left for me to do.
the thing is the error that I'm facing right now on this page, because this error is super important for me. Like, if it's not working, then how can we go for other things, right?
Too
So we need to
fast,
make this work.
maybe we should slow down. Maybe we should slow down.
And if we
Go
try to configure
away
it,
from
it looks
crashing
good to me
down
here,
into the
but it's not getting the perfect thing.
maybe
It is
we
not able to
should
fetch it
slow down.
from retail,
Maybe
because
we
in
should
retail we have not
slow
selected
down.
Adam, it's always
Let's let
Max.
our heart take the wheel, 'cause heaven
So
knows how to feel. I
we'll go
don't
through it
think
in a
I
bit.
know where we need to go.
Till then, let's see how it
Let's
goes
let our
and how it
hearts take
designs
the
the whole thing.
wheel. We don't know what is real or what
So
is
this time it has started showing us the credits and the tokens and everything. Like, it has used 433 tokens in here and everything. This is the best thing, right? Still, this doesn't have everything in here. It says we are not on the pro plan. What is the pro plan? Pro plan is, I guess, $127 or something. 125. Look at this.
Lately I feel like a house of cards, one blow away from crashing down into
Right?
the
It has everything. Like, for Google Anti-Gravity, it says highest limits to agent model in Google Anti-Gravity, our agentic development platform, Gemini app, and all other things.
sometimes I don't know what we're
Looks good to
doing.
me.
That's when I turn to you.
It's Ultra. So right now we are on Pro, I believe. Yes, our plan is Pro, but if we go to Ultra, then it will be the next level thing. But it's okay. We can right now stay in here. It's completely okay for us. Notification settings, execution policy, and agents policy. Always proceed. Terminal command auto execution. My God, need to always perfect. Sometimes it works on the thing. Okay, let me show you this, guys. What we need to work on today. It is obviously Reddit. His sidebar is getting worked on. That's nice. Looks like changes have been executed. There are some build errors, but we need to give it to this. It can make all the changes happen. Then we can move ahead. By that time, perfect. There we go with Reddit. I guess let's not keep it in here. Let's just add it here. Oh wow. See, credits available. This is here. Yeah, looks good to us right now. See, fonts have changed and it looks perfect. It's like crazy. What if I just close it? See this, I guess this is the credit part. It will open up in a bit. Do we have that error? We'll give it to Opus. Let's try GPT. I have never tried this on agents page. The retail connection showing something like this. Please go through. My God, this video capture sometimes makes so much problem. It's like this. I just get out of my mind. Perfect. It should work now. Lovely. through it and make sure you sort the whole problem out because it's been a long time I'm seeing this error. Perfect. It will start working. Let's see. Wow, it's thinking so fast. I believe it doesn't make any error more. Like, generating more errors is also a problem. Let's see what this thing is doing. It has been working for a long time. I guess it is working. See, crazy, crazy. But we have already made the call happen, so it should show the debited credits. Okay, till then, let's find some. What should we find? B2B SaaS. Perfect. Just making some like I'm just trying to join some of the. I'm not a business. I'm just trying to join some of the good channels so that see it has 2.2K weekly stories and contributions like 223. It's huge. It's huge. All these communities we're gonna post out some of the things like we help all the like how we are going to help B2B SaaS companies. But for that, for sure, we need to get into some startup. 2 million members. Don't you think just 1% of it can help us a lot? How did your startup procure initial seed funding? I will not promise. Perfect. 117K weekly visitors, guys. This is huge. What if I start posting every hour inside it? It's gonna go crazy. What these guys are doing? It says can proceed with the testing dashboard. Perfect. What about this? It is still trying to know what things are going on. I feel Codex is good. I feel it is good. It should go good. It's GPT OSS. I have never heard about it. What is GPT OSS? GPT OSS 12. What is it? Is our most powerful open weight model, which fits into H100 GPU. That's crazy. This is crazy. What if we compare it with, let's not compare it directly with 5.2 though. Let's keep it in here. Where did it go? It's 120B, right? OSS, and let's keep it with, I guess, where did our codex go? Let's keep it with codex. Okay, this doesn't take input as an image, but this can take an input as an image. But except that, I believe this is crazy. This doesn't have any per 1 million tokens. Like, it doesn't have pricing. What does it mean by that? Is it free or what? GPT OSS 120B. I'm just asking it out because it's free to download and use under permissive Apache 2.0 license. Okay. You are responsible for your own computing costs like GPU power, though free inferences provider local setup make it accessible. This is crazy. Wow. I never knew about this kind of like something like this is also available. Open weight, obviously. What if we compare it with like GPT 5.1 Max? All three of those have perfect reasoning, perfect speed, every other thing. This is crazy. $10, $10. It's like context window. Context window is just 131 thousand. Over here it's 400,000. Over here too it's 400,000. But see, this has max output tokens like better than this and this one. So it's like good. It's good for us. Rate limits no tier one, tier two, tier three. There is no rate limit. What the heck? Why didn't I know about this? This is crazy. This is just crazy. Let's see how it works. Create new route file, register it, implement it, run the dev. If you would like me to create the files automatically, just let me know. Do it. Let's see first what is it talking about because it might make some errors, I believe. Add a health check endpoint, yes. Creating the hook is better part. Update agents. Okay. Do it. I love it. Let's see how it goes. Okay. By the time, let's get into some more pages. We have joined this, and um, let's first go for B2B SaaS only. Uh, wow, UAE is a good market. It just has 10 people in it. Why? Weekly visitors 30, 7 weekly contribution. B2B SaaS. Okay, we have B2B marketing in here, but we don't have B2B SaaS. How would it go? Why does B2B continue to think of volume emails will resolve? That's true. Weekly visitors 13,000. That's great. We're not into marketing still. Um, let's just go for B2B. Let's see what all communities we find. Perfect. 10 members, 16K, but it's for sales. So like to discuss B2B sales tips, tools, best practices. This can be useful for ours because we're gonna need a lot more stuff and we can start sharing our knowledge too, like how our thing is working right now so that we can make it happen perfectly. Um, what all other pages do we have? There's a student interns and D2B. Looks like we are out of it.
calling for that unfamiliar taste, falling just a little bit from grace.
B2B
Darling,
for hire.
gonna make
Okay.
amends out of this place. We own the night. It's when we come alive. Till morning light. When we go back to earth, it's time to ride. We're
Okay, we
going
have
wild
this
tonight. And
489K
you hit the clock,
members.
strike
It's
12.
like shit, guys. This is the hack. This is the hack. Look at it. 272K SaaS people. It's like crazy. I've built 30 plus MVPs. The founders who succeed are the ones you'd probably hate. People, you know, Reddit is one of the best places where you can learn and where you can grow. I've been using it for a long time and I just love it. This is nice. This can help us. Let's close this. And SaaS AI, SaaS build. See, they have lesser members, 24K, and SaaS. I didn't open this right. 2.3K, 11K, all this. But they can micro SaaS. They can be a huge kind of potential buyers because that's where we're gonna sell, right? Out of 22 members, four are online. It's like that's perfect. That's where we want to go, right? Because we just need active people. Like where all people are staying active is the best place we can go. Perfect. This looks good to me for now because it's huge. It's huge. This is gonna be 2.1K weekly people. Perfect. Welcome to SaaS selection, the to-go place for discussion, recommendation, reviews about softwares. 152 weekly visitors, 3 weekly contribution. That's nice. Let's go into it. At least if they have a few of the weekly visitors, we can go into it. See, now this place has no weekly visitors, right? Like it's just 70. We cannot go there. SaaS build. This is a nice place. 6.2K. Welcome. Perfect. SaaS sales. Okay. Join. 2.3K weekly visitors. This has 26K weekly visitors. Obviously, I'm gonna join it. Like, did we even think a bit about it? Well, that is a request to post. Look at the companies they have. This is crazy. But just 4 weekly visitors? Seriously? Okay, let's see if we get approved for it. 386 weekly visitors. This is nice. And how about SaaS marketing? It's good. Definitely, it's good. I'm not sure about this. Like there is no more interaction going on. Look at it. It has 8 comments, but other than that, like very less comments. In 2 days, maybe zero, just two comments, 11 comments. We can give it a try. I believe we can give it a try. It's not a bad choice, I believe. Okay, let's see here what's happening. Credits are taking a lot more time to load. I don't know why. Okay, it says it has fixed it, added a proper retail connection health checkpoint, front end now points to correct API base. Perfect. We have the health check thing working now. Compiling not found. Why? What's the error, bro? What did it do to my page? This is the serious hack. No agents? What the heck? We have an agent. Looks like it took my page away. Let's give it a last try. Okay, let's give it a last try. Let's ask it to plan it first. We have an agent already connected and we have the whole thing working too. But right now the page shows that no agents are connected and even the connection says that it's not connected. Please go ahead and check through the whole thing. Looks like you have changed it or looks like you have made it worse. So work on it again and make sure now you make the perfect comprehensive plan ahead of it and then work on it. And we already have retail API key inside the ENV, so you don't need to worry about it. Other than that, start working on it and make a comprehensive plan first and then work on it. I don't know. And even we have just the medium of it, like there is no high or something like that. Today our live is gonna be just for 1 hour and 30 minutes, just because I have some meetings to attend, so I cannot be live for a longer time. But till then, I want to for sure remove this error and make sure that this thing starts working perfectly. Let's see the dashboard. See, now it looks very good, very decent, very good. It now has everything super perfect, right? And let's ask it to, put down more beautiful things because it needs to have beautiful stuff out there, right? Page.tsx, there are 3 errors. Okay, everything is in the page.tsx. Let's ask it. Page.tsx and layout.tsx is the thing that has been worked on by our Gemini sir. Looks like it is lagging. I don't know what's going on with this till it works on it. We can get through this thing. Okay, we have gone through SaaS a lot. Now let's go to marketing agencies. 1.9 million users. Bro, marketing research 26K members. Entrepreneur 5 million, Ask Marketing 108K. So these are the pages where we need to be. Like, look at this. 16 minutes ago, one upvote, one comment. This is the crazy part. 4.8k members, 303k, 2 million in the startup. I believe we have joined this, but let's go. Agency, marketing mentor. I'm tired of this now. It is motion sensitive, but still looks like I'm not moving today. Email marketing? I don't think so. I'm not going for email marketing companies or something like that. It's just advertisement companies. Yeah, for sure we can. This is not the place to advertise. No, I'm here to advertise. Content marketing. And entrepreneur ride along. No goals, no insight. I'm not a guru. Small business. This sub is not for advertisement. Questions and answers about starting, owning, and growing. That's the perfect thing I can go. This looks good to me because it's a lot of stuff going on. It's 125k weekly visitors, bro, and 1.7k weekly contribution. It's like huge, definitely. 816 is kind of good. It's near to 1000, so I can still go for it. 428k builders and makers. This is crazy. 9.7k guide mates online. This is good. Looks good to me now because I have joined like a lot of communities and it's like huge stuff out there. So for sure, from now on, we're gonna just get into all this and we just gonna start making posts because it's over a good time that we have not been doing that. So we should start with it now. Let's see what our planning bot is doing. It should have started working now, at least. This is the problem. I don't know why does it start lagging a lot. Like this is the genuine problem of whole anti-gravity, that it starts lagging, and like it's like it goes into the hell and then comes back. Perfect. Starting the agent.
sunrise, signaling that it's our time.
Looks like it is still starting the agent. It's taking so long today. This is the problem. Sometimes it feels like anti-gravity just takes your time over because it takes a lot more time to open up. Let's close it and let me try to reopen it because this gets into the shit sometime. Okay, let's get on to Opus because that's all we can go for, and that is what I should go for now. Let's not wait for something will happen, something like that. Perfect. Let's go to dashboard again. Okay, please check the whole wiring and all the backend services and all the endpoints are connected perfectly or not on every other component on the dashboard, and make sure to check for any bugs or any potential issues if you find, and give me the comprehensive list of whatever you find, and make sure to give me a comprehensive plan too to resolve all those. Okay, let's not go into the planning mode because that's where it's gonna be slow. Let's give it the whole thing. Let's see how it starts the agent. It says it's taking unexpectedly long to load. Because the retail thing that's going on, it has been covering up the whole thing. That's why this part is taking huge time. Till that thing happens, we can just go on X and let's start finding some communities there too, so that we can just get onto all the marketing things all along. That is super important for us right now. We have the notifications. Okay. Communities, built-in public, agree and join, web developers, medical and health education. We don't need the education thing right now. Let's search for SaaS. 386 members. Okay, somebody had made a comment. They got 56 views. Looks like this is a nice page. Okay, this looks good to me. X doesn't give you a lot of views or a lot of engagement in the first place, but yes, whatever views and whatever stuff you get it from the people who are still legit. They are, you will get to know, like, there are legit people working inside, like, posting and I'm using X that can help you out, that can make your things go some kind of crazy. So you just have to be a little bit of aware about it. Just trying to get the whole thing ready, like the exposure and everything a bit low, so it looks good. Looks good to me now. Look at it. If AI shapes discovery, it should be the part of your strategy. Nariai.com. And then you can go to that website. You can just look at everything. And so this is how people try to, just advertise their thing. This is how you can get to know more about them. And look at it, 159 people viewed this, as well as 8 people liked it. So this is the best part. Like 244 people worked on it, like looked on it. Engagement is so good. It's on December 12th, 19 hours, 23 hours, and 43, 36 people likes. And let's see what all people comments on here. I like to turn it off and bang my head of the flavors at all items. This has 2 retweets. So people are engaging in here. That's the best part that you can go for, right? So let's get into this community. It's not always about getting into any community. It looks like I agree. Let me join. They are not like if I believe if there is some issue with my Twitter, or we still call it Twitter. It's it's always like this. Let's see. Yeah, it's our issue. It's like I believe I have reached to a point where we cannot do it. Okay, let's start growing then. Meeting new people is always the best thing. See, this is the guy from Cursor team. So it's like, see, once you start finding people like this, you're gonna get more involved into connections. You're gonna get more involved into every other thing that's there. So that's the best part you can do. Looks like this is not going to work today for us. And what time is it? It's like I have just 8 minutes, 8 more minutes. Let's restart it and let's see. Try it once, then let it go. There is one more thing, that's articles or something in here. Creator Studio is not the thing. Lists. They have this news, but we have this articles or something. I don't remember it. Okay, if it's not there right now, it's okay. Just want this thing to get working. Perfect. Still giving it a try, guys. Still giving it a try. Let's see if anything happens up. Because I believe there should be something. I'm trying not to use Codex because I'm like too much into Codex. So I'm trying lesser to use it and get into more different things. But still, you can see me using GPTs. It's like it has caught me. It should work now. Perfect. It's going on. Let's see how it goes. Till then, let me just set this cursor up. So there was this error that happened in all of my apps, and they got removed on stream. On stream, last stream, I believe, everything got removed. I don't know why. So now I'm getting more cautious about it, taking more precautions. And I don't know why I used all of my limit. See, I have used all of my limits everywhere. So, yes, I guess this is the time. I guess it's 10:30, 27. And we'll end the stream here, guys, because it's like I'm out of my limits today on every other thing. We have joined some of the communities, so you will start hearing from me. Go ahead, follow me over here. If you want to connect with me, you can use the link. And for sure, you can go ahead and follow us on X. This is X of ours, Vision Tank. Let me show you. We didn't post it today, but yeah, for sure, we're gonna start posting over here from tomorrow. It's a Vision Tank underscore IO. You can go ahead and follow us there. And looks good to me. Have a good one, guys, and see you people tomorrow with something new and something more